have the Hidersine Vivente model here. It's a well-established company, an English company. They started in 1876, it says, and this is the Vivente model, which is presented as a very good student instrument. If you're that bit more serious, moving into a full size, get a great sound out of it for the value. We're just having a close look. We have a spruce top here and a bit mellower coloring, but still a nice kind of golden hue to it. And then the ribs and the back are maple, I think graphic flamed maple, so just a bit it might not be naturally that way, but it helps the cost be very economical that way. And an ebony fingerboard and pegs. And we'll give it a whirl here. So a really lovely mellow tone, still has a nice ringing quality to it. And again, yeah, maybe a softer but very sweet, nice sound to it. Again, one that you might have fun trying out different types of strings to go for the sound you want. It's new. The fine tuner is very easy to work with, and the pegs. Be a very reliable instrument, them being such an established company, and I think well regarded among teachers as a good student investment, or if you're just looking for something that's that bit of a step up but not too expensive. So very nice, the Vivente model.